All right, so today we're installing the hood. Got the carbon fiber vented hood from however you pronounce it, Seibon, Seibon, whatever it is. And it's on just in time for the rain.
Home, baby, home.
I'll get some better footage of it when it stops raining. All right, so the rain cleared up. Pretty nice up there. Good old Canada for you. But the hood's on. The hood is on. Fitment is pretty much expected with carbon hood. You're obviously gonna have the gaps, but nothing to complain about. We had to adjust the actual latch. I'll just show you what if you do consider buying one. I'll show you what you need to do. So basically what you're going to want to do is we had to raise the actual hood latch. We had to raise it a bit so it would lock in properly. And yeah, then after that it was good. So if you just have to adjust that. You just take sorry, I'm trying to hold my hood up as well. Take this piece off, and then you just there's 4 bolts here, and then you move it down. Yeah, other than that, everything's good. Let me know what you think about the spacers. I didn't put them on, but that's how it looks. There you go. So let me know down below if you should put the spacers on or not. I think I like it like this. It looks clean. So thank you for coming back to watch another video, and we'll catch you in the next one.